When your house looks like this, we can help. Most people don't know this, but if your home was built before 1982, it needs an asbestos test prior to any demolition being done. And if it was built before 1978, it needs a lead test. That way you protect you and your family. Our certified technicians will take your sample down to the lab and get it professionally tested. Asbestos has been used in over 3,000 building materials throughout the years. Call SRS Pros. Every technician is trained and certified by the U.S. government or the EPA. We also have a pack-out services division, so if your home needs to be packed out, your belongings moved somewhere prior to demolition, we can do that too. This is our warehouse. It's 12,000 square feet and it's climate controlled. We put all of your belongings in these 7-foot by 7-foot vaults. Every item is labeled and tagged, and every vault is labeled and tagged. If you need to find something, we can find it for you. So why SRS? Because every technician is trained and certified by the U.S. government. All of our work is completed following a HERA protocol to keep you and your family safe. Our technicians care and will answer any questions along the way. With over 20 years' experience, we work for you, the homeowner, and we'll bill your insurance direct.